Hi and welcome to the Half-Ass Homestead. My name is Angie and today we are baking my beautiful zucchini bread jam. This is a recipe that I have taken and made several changes to bring in some more flavors. It's quite a bit more complex than it was when I got it, but I hope you guys enjoy the additions that I have made. If you guys are interested in following along, stay tuned. We are going to want to start with both of our loaf pans being greased and floured very well. This will help prevent sticking when we go to release them from the pans. Next, we are going to preheat our oven to 325 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to want to combine 3 eggs, 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of sugar, and 2 cups of grated zucchini, water removed. Mix and combine well. Now we will add 2 cups of flour, optional 1/2 cup nuts. I decided to use chocolate chips at the end. 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and 1/8 teaspoon cardamom, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of brown sugar. We are going to mix until well combined, remembering to scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl. We are going to fill our loaf pans somewhere between 1/2 and 2/3 full. I chose to omit the nuts because I was bringing this loaf of bread in to share at work. I decided to add chocolate chips to the top, and this decision garnered rave reviews. We are going to bake this for 50 to 60 minutes at 325 degrees. A nice way to check to see if your baked goods are done is to stick a toothpick in the middle, and if they come out clean, they're fully cooked. We will leave our bread sit to cool for 10 to 15 minutes to let a nice crust form on top before we remove them from the loaf pan. Once we are ready to remove them from the loaf pan, we are going to just run a knife gently along the sides to loosen up any stuck bits that there may be, and your bread should just fall right out. I would like to thank you guys for baking this bread with me. If you made any substitutions or changes or additions, let me know in the comment section down below. That's the beauty of baking. You can always make it your own. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Hi and welcome to the Half-Ass Homestead. My name is Angie and today we are baking my beautiful zucchini bread jam.